Let us make a fan and watch it spin.
You will need a ruler,
5 sketch pens, scissors, a straw, a glitter tape, a pen refill, a wire, and a circle cut out from a sheet of white chart paper.
use a black sketch pen and a ruler to draw the kind of fan shown here.
Color the blades of the fan. Use the scissors to cut along the dotted lines.
Fold along the straight lines as shown.
Take the pen refill and cut off its base.
Insert the base into the center of the paper fan. Take the wire and bend it as shown.
Run it through the refill. Fix the straw to the other end of the wire.
Twist and shape the wire as shown. Use the glitter tape to ensure that the straw does not fall off.
You can now blow into the straw and watch your fan spin.